Hello all. Today I'll be taking a walkthrough. My problem statement is something like this: that we have some Excel sheets in which the structure of the Excel sheets are similar, but the data is being divided across several sheets. Now the problem is something like this, that we need to merge these separate sheets and make a consolidated sheet. So to explain the scenario, let me open up Excel and let me first of all create a data. I'll be selecting blank workbook. Let me zoom a bit the working area and give the headers as item and then maybe quantity QTY. Let me give some random name to the items, say A, then B, then C, D, E, and the quantity will be 11. Let me drag it across, control and drag it all the way to the down, and then fill series. Let me make a copy of sheet 1. So this will be 1. So while pressing and holding down the control key, I am left clicking on over 1, dragging it across, and I am getting a duplicate copy of 1, and I will be naming that as 2. So the series was up to E. Now let me move to F, G, H, I, J. Okay, and the series will be of 44. Now let me also drag it all the way to the down and then fill series. Let me make another copy in a similar fashion and let me name it 3, and J, ABCD I, J, K, L, M, N, and then maybe O. This series will be of 66. Let me drag it across all the way to the down and then right click, fill series. Let me make one last copy in a similar fashion and let me name it as 4, and let me give the names as K, O, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So P, Q, R, S, T, fine. And this series will be of say suppose 33. Fine. Let me drag all the way to the down and right click, fill series. Let me save the file and name it as master sheet. Let me go to say suppose E drive, inside SS. Let me name the master sheet. Let me name it as master sheet. Now there will be another Excel file in which we will be merging this 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 Excel sheets into only one final Excel sheet. I am pressing Ctrl N to open up a new Excel sheet. Then I will be jumping on to the data tab. From there, new query, from file, from workbook, and let me okay, this master sheet, then import. Let me wait for a minute until the okay. So you have to select on any one, the name of any one of the sheets, and then press edit. Go to the edit section, press the edit button and uncheck all the options until and unless the source column is being selected. Click on the data tab, right click and remove other columns. Expand this data tab, press OK. So let me show you what I am doing. Click on this particular arrow key. This particular arrow key over which my pointer is over this arrow key. The pointer is the mouse pointer is in over which arrow key? I mean this double-headed arrow. Click on this particular section. Then press OK. Now I will be so there are duplicate rows. So all I need to do is that remove rows, remove duplicate, fine, and keep rows, keep top rows. Okay, so no, not this button. Remove column. Remove rows. Remove top row. This is not also working. Okay. Remove rows. Okay. Remove duplicate. Okay, fine. Remove. Okay, so there is another option in which keep rows, remove columns. So remove rows, remove top row, remove duplicate. The duplicate item name has been removed. Fine. Okay, so that let me click on manage. Okay, so there is no manage. Okay, choose columns. No. Keep rows. Keep top rows. Keep bottom rows. Keep duplicate. Keep errors. Okay, fine. This is not. Group by data type. Merge queries. Okay. So I need to delete the first row. How can I do that? So remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows, duplicate, remove error, remove top rows. Number of rows, no, this one is not working. So replace use. Okay, fine. This section, use first row as header. You need to select this option. I was searching for this option. Use first row as headers. Fine. Your data merging is complete. Close and load. Your data has been loaded, and this is the merge sheet. So sheet 1 was the one, this is the default sheet which has opened up, and now sheet 2. In the sheet 2, so what was the trick? There are two trips. So all you need to do is there. Let me go to Notepad and make a summation of it. So you have to go to the data tab, and then from data tab. Okay, let me show you one more time. Let me make a new sheet. Go to the data tab, then new query, from file, from workbook, then load the master sheet and select any one of the sheets. It doesn't matter which sheet you are selecting. So you can very well select 4 or maybe 3 or maybe 2. So maybe 2, the last one. Then edit and uncheck all the options. Okay, uncheck all these options from the right hand side until the source is being selected. Then right click on data and remove other columns. After that, you need to click on this double headed arrow, click on it to load the data. Okay. After that, you need to remove duplicate and use first row as header. Let me open a magnifier to show you which buttons I used. Okay, so magnifier. So here, okay, so 600%, no, maybe 200%, 300, 400, 300, 200, fine. So first of all, remove column. I am selecting this option, not remove column, sorry, remove rows. I select this option, remove duplicate. After that, I am selecting this particular option, use first row as header, use first row as headers. So see item and quantity. Let me close the magnifier. After that, all you need to do is close and load. Voila, the data of the 3 sheets are being merged to one sheet. Now I don't think I need to show you how to save an Excel sheet. Control S, press Control S, and how to save that Excel sheet. So this was all about this tutorial or this problem walkthrough. Open up your own Excel sheet and practice it. Follow along this particular tutorial, and you can very well achieve what I just showed you, people. Hope this helps you in some way, as it helped me as it helped me. And that's all for now, and happy coding. See you next time for any other tutorial or any other problem walkthroughs. Thank you.